In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Analytics on BigCommerce. By the end, you'll have your store connected to Google Analytics 4 using a measurement ID so you can start tracking traffic and performance with confidence. Start by opening your BigCommerce account and heading to your store's dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click Settings. Scroll down the page until you reach the Advanced section. Under Advanced, select Data Solutions. On this screen, find the Google Analytics option and click Connect. This opens a panel where you'll paste your measurement ID in a moment. Keep this BigCommerce tab open. We're going to switch over to Google Analytics to grab that ID now. In a new tab, go to Google Analytics and sign in. Click the admin gear icon in the lower left corner to open admin settings. In the admin area, look for the section called Data Collection and Modification, then click to Data Streams. Choose Web Streams, and you'll see a list of web data streams for your properties. Select the web stream that matches your BigCommerce store's domain. At the top of the stream details, you'll see your measurement ID. It starts with the letter G followed by a dash. Click to copy that ID. If you don't see a measurement ID and only see an older UA-style ID, that means the property is not GA4. You'll need the GA4 measurement ID for this integration to work. Now return to your BigCommerce tab. In the Google Analytics connection panel, paste the measurement ID into the field provided, making sure there are no extra spaces before or after it. Click the button to save or confirm your changes. That's it. Your store is now linked to Google Analytics and tracking will begin. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Double-check that you selected the correct web stream for your actual storefront URL, especially if you manage multiple sites. If the Connect button isn't visible in Data Solutions, confirm you have the right permissions and try disabling any browser extensions or ad blockers that might interfere with admin pages. After saving, data can take a little time to appear in standard reports, but you can open real-time in Google Analytics to see activity almost immediately as you browse your site. Finally, remember that only the GA4 measurement ID works here. The older UA format won't populate data in BigCommerce's integration. You're all set. With your measurement ID in place, you'll start gathering insights that help you understand your visitors and make smarter decisions for your store.